Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you the basics of Adobe After Effects in just 5 minutes. If you are a beginner, don't worry. By this end, you will understand how After Effects works and you will ready to start creating your own animations. So when you open After Effects, you will see three important sections. The project panel, where all your files, images and videos will be stored. The composition panel, which is main preview area where you see what you are working on, and the timeline where you arrange layers, keyframes and effects in to create motion. Think of it like the project is your storage, composition is your canvas, and timeline is where magic happens. To start, go to composition and create new composition. Choose a resolution like 1920 by 1080. Set the frame rate as 30 frames per second. The duration to around 10 seconds. This is like creating a new page where your animation will happen. Next, import your files by going to File, Import, and then the file, drag your image, logo, or video into your timeline so it appears on your composition window. Now let's do a simple animation with keyframe. Select your text layer, press P for position. Click the stopwatch to create your first keyframe. Then move forward in the timeline and drag the text to new position. When you play it back, your text move automatically. The same idea will for scale by pressing S or with rotation and opacity with T. So After Effects also has powerful effects. Go to Effects and Preset panel. Search for glow. Drag it into a layer. Instantly make your text or object look more dynamic. There are hundreds of effects you can explore like blur, color corrections and transitions. Once you are happy with your animation, go to File, Export and Add to Render Queue. Use the Adobe Video Encoder for more options. Choose H.264 format for MB4, hit render, and your video is ready to share. That's it. You learned the basics of Adobe After Effects in only 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in comments what you learned next. Thanks for watching and happy editing.